Live Aid was a revolutionary series of concerts that took place in the summer of 1985. The groundbreaking concept was created by singer Bob Geldof and Midge Ure, with the intention of raising funds for global problems such as the ongoing Ethiopian famine. World-famous recording artists that appeared in the various concerts included U2, The Boomtown Rats, Queen, Paul McCartney, Phil Collins, Eric Clapton, Led Zeppelin, and many more. It was estimated that 2 billion people across 60 countries watched the live broadcast. Thanks to the influence of the performers, Live Aid successfully collected over £150 million. 20 years later, in the summer of 2005, another series of concerts was arranged to fight against extreme poverty. A colossal 150 bands and 1,250 musicians played across the globe. Unlike the original incarnation, the intention of the concerts was not to raise money amongst the public, but rather to implore them to add just their names to the Live Aid list. The results: 5 days after the concert, the G8 leaders met and pledged to improve the life of some of the world's poorest people. The world's leaders agreed to spend vast amounts on drugs to help fight the African AIDS epidemic, cancel the debts of third world countries, give every child the opportunity for an education, create new trade deals,